Namaskar. In this experiment we will learn how the volcanic eruption happen. For this we need a pastel sheet, a bottle, baking soda, vinegar, liquid detergent and some colors. You can take the cardboard, make it a cone and cut it from the top. It can be placed on the bottle so that we can have the boundary for the volcano. Then we can put some baking soda inside that bottle along with the dish wash. Make sure the baking soda should go into the bottle and nothing is left in the funnel. For that we can shake it properly and the base of the volcano will be filled with the baking soda. Now we can put few drops of liquid detergent that is generally used to wash utensils. And cover it with the pastel sheet again. Then take some colors like orange and red that will give you the feel of lava once the volcano is ready. Cover it again with the pastel sheet and the base for the volcano is ready. Now it's the time for the final performance with the help of the vinegar. So you can keep it in the sink so that there is no messy things. After putting the vinegar, you will see the volcanic eruption start coming up as if the lava is coming up, and it will start spreading all across the volcano. With this your experiment is complete and I hope you all liked it. This will keep coming for next few minutes and you can enjoy this performance of your self-made volcano. Student, isn't it amazing that you performed a live experiment on your own? So I think this is all about science. So this is the volcano with lava. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.